In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove video background in Canva. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel more than you can imagine. Thank you. To do this, let's pick a video document here. Whichever size the video is, you can go ahead and pick the document size from here. But for me, I'm working with a landscape video that I want to post to YouTube. So I'm going to pick this video landscape. Now you want to go over to your upload tab to bring in your video you're working on. If you've not uploaded your video, you can upload your video using the upload files here. And if you have your video in other places like Google Drive, Google Photos, you can bring them in from here. So I'm going to go back from here. And I'm going to come over to videos because I already have my videos in here. So I'm going to tap on this video. This is the video I want to remove the background. Once I have that in place, I'm going to make sure the video is selected and click on BG Remover. As you can see, the process of removing background from my video is completed. But if I want to add a background, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click on this video to detach it from the background so that it stands as an overlay on the main page. So I'm going to also spread it out like this, fill in the whole page, and let me go to position and see if everything is okay. I'll just go over to my element to search for backgrounds I want to use from here. So we have all this background come up. I'm going to come into the photos here to see all photos. And from here, I can choose what background I want to use to swap this with. So if I choose to use this background, I'm going to tap on it and you see it drops into my design like this. But if you go here, if you click out from here, you see that this part still has white background. So I'm going to click on this image and hold and pull it to fill out all the places in my video. You see the background has covered all the parts of my video. To even take this one step further, what I usually do is to click on the image itself and go over to edit and come over to filters. I usually apply the Capri filter just to make myself look a bit touched up. Let me know if you have any questions. So have a good one.